Good morning, guys! So today we are in Xiengkhouang, and the town we're in is called Phongsavan. So I think today we're gonna go check out the painted jars. It's also known as Tiaj, so we're gonna go check that out, and then we're gonna go see some of my dad's relatives, and then we're gonna head over to Porter's uncle's place. So I hope you guys like this video. Alright, so we made it to my dad's cousin's wife's house. Alright guys, so we're folding paper money for my great grandma.
Lò xốn này thế lò hò. Rồi một cái đó lò. Nó có thứ đó lò. Lò chế làm đấy. Oh my god.
That's it. Okay. Nhạt nha. Mình phải chế lý nha. Cái chú à. Đúng chưa? Thế này. Nhát được nhá. Cái chỗ đó thì cha nó đấy. Cái chỗ phòng thì cha nó này. Nhưng mà phải có tay.
Alright guys, so this is my great grandmother's grave. She came to the States a few years ago, but they buried her over here. Alright guys, so we are at the painted jars, also known as Tiaj. So you only see these in movies or music videos. So
Or first now.
let's do a music video here, Por.
Yeah.
Cao Hmong Xiengkhuoang tu nọ của tao mua tu cha yuan gì lu tam bảo lý na co lu chế ya chia sáp lu đau tao mò mò bỏ ta cũng nhẹ nhẹ co sàn đó có nhỏ qua kề
Cao Hmong Xiengkhuoang tu nọ chỉ tao mua thua chỉ mùa đùa kê lu liều hòn trong mong kê đê chế có là hai nhau cá chim lại can chê.
you guys have seen here is a big old hole where they dug the remaining bombs that was left over here. So you'll see a few, one here, and a few over here, Oh, filo na, oh. Right here. These are all like where the bombs were dug out.
Gosh, look at this. Poor, it's the third person. Oh my god, so it's always been a dream for me to come to this area, and I can't believe I'm here. Everybody is kind of rushing and like, oh my god, come here, take pictures, take pictures. I'm just kind of like, let me enjoy this moment, because when is the next time I'm gonna drive like 10 hours to get here after a 20-hour flight? So this is like insane to be here. It just feels like, you know, we are part of it, like
part of history.
Yeah.
If you guys don't know, this is like an historical site.
Yeah.
So this is where like the Secret War and all the bombings happening in
So
Laos.
no, this actual site is the most bombed place in Laos.
And there's still actually a
Yeah.
lot of bombs left over here, but
Yeah.
then you just have to be at the
The
area.
areas that they already like, you know, scanned
Cleaned out.
through, cleaned out. And
That's one scary thing.
Yeah.
There's the bomb.
there's 3 stories to this site right here. Go ahead, babe.
I don't remember what the story was about.
Okay, so
But I just remember that some of these jars are meant to store rice wine after like a war or something. I think that's like one story. The second story is like these stones are used to store rainwaters during the monsoon season, and then the third one is more like trying to bury people in here,
yes.
like to cremate them. So no one really knows the purpose
Yeah.
of these jars.
So the Hmong people here think that it's just naturally formed, and it's just naturally like this. And the only place in the world that has this is here.
Here,
So you can only like find it here, which is amazing. It's crazy.
let's go. This is another bombing place. It's pretty crazy.